Amazing performance! How about the big round of applause, please? Sino kaya ang magiging best in sportswear tonight? But this time, let us now give the first set of special and major award. This time, ladies and gentlemen, our special award is People's Choice.